Hello, thank you for clicking my video. In today's video, I will be show and telling a wig from the UNice Hair website. If I can get a coupon code, I'll be sure to leave it in the description box with the wig link and some other website links that you may be interested in. When you order this wig from the UNice Hair website, you get a few goodies in the bag. They send a makeup brush, headband, eyelashes, a UNice Hair edge band, and a pink bonnet. Here's a close-up of what inside of the wig look like. You get a 13 by 4 parting space. Behind the parting space, you get 2 combs, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. As for the hair texture, it comes off on the silky side, and the lace on the wig is soft Swiss lace. As for the lace color, I would say it is coming off very light on my skin, but y'all already know I'm gonna try my best to blend it in with my skin tone. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. The hair length is 18 inches. The wig don't come with no foul odor. As for the hair color, I would say it's like a natural black, natural brown color. You can go in and dye it jet black. You could even go in and bleach it. You could bleach the knots. The hairline comes pre-plucked, but the knots do not come bleached. Now I'm going to go in with my Babyliss Prima 3000 flat iron, and I'm going in with the temperature 410 degrees. And I just section off the hair starting from the nape area and just, you know how to straighten some hair. Go in with the flat iron, go straight down. You could curve the wrist at the end so the ends can have a nice little bump. We all know how to flat iron some hair, or, there's YouTube videos out there on how to flat iron hair. That's how it looks in the end after I went in with the flat iron. I don't have no product on the hair at all, and it is moving. Off camera, I went in and plucked the hairline some more. So the left side is how the hairline comes, and the right side is how I pluck the hairline. Then after that, I'm gonna go in and just pluck the left side. The hair on the wig already comes lightly layered, but I would like to trim the ends just a little bit and also add a little bit more layers on the front to frame my face. After trimming the ends, now I'm going to go in with the flat iron again and just lightly bump it. Okay, right here I am cutting the extra lace off in the front, and when cutting the extra lace off, I like to use eyebrow scissors. I'm cutting in little zigzag motions so the lace don't have this harsh line of demarcation on my skin compared to if I cut it in a straight line across the hairline. Don't forget to cut the lace in the nape area because you don't need it, just like you don't need the lace on the front. Underneath the lace, I applied some makeup powder, but I only applied it to the spots that I'll be showing, so that's the parting space and hairline. That just helps me save some extra powder from my other wigs. I'm going to insert this elastic band so I don't have to go in with any glue or spray on the hairline. When doing this, I take the lighter and burn the elastic band a little, so when I insert it on the inside of my wig, it keeps the ends of the elastic band from unraveling over time when it's sewed down. Now I'm gonna hand sew the elastic band to the ends by the ear tabs to the wig. I just place it right there. It doesn't really get like the ear tabs really super flat because it's by the ear tabs, but it gets the wig flat enough for me to the point that I don't have to go in and insert no glue, so you'll see. I am loving the end result so far. It looked like I just came from the salon. Love it. After I went in and trimmed the ends, I would say it's about 17 to 16 inches on me, and my height is 5'6". Doing this install was super easy and beginner friendly. I did go in and pluck the hairline some more. You do not have to go in and do that. It is optional. I'm just showing you guys what I do, so in the end you guys know how I got my end results, so you guys aren't like, girl, my wig don't look like that. But anyways, now I'm just gonna say my final thoughts on this wig. So when I was styling this wig, tangling, I got 0 tangling, and I have been using a rat tail comb for most of the styling experience, so that's a good plus. As for shedding, I am getting some shedding. The shedding, I would say, is low. It's definitely not heavy at all. It's shedding that I feel like anybody can handle. And I know a lot of the shedding is due to the fact that I went and plucked the hairline, but to me, it's totally worth it. When I split the hair in the back, there isn't any track showing. The hair density, I would say, is no more than 150%. So it's not too thick, not too thin, right in between. Really nice for every day. This wig, I do believe, is one size fits all, and my head circumference is 22 inches. I do have a lot of stretch cap room left in there, so if you have a bigger head circumference, I honestly feel like you're in for the clear. And if you have a smaller head circumference than 22 inches, then the elastic band come into play perfectly because it can be adjusted to your head with the elastic band, or you could crisscross the adjustable straps also doing that. Anyway, I love it. I honestly love it. I did not go in and dye the hair. I kept the hair color, the natural black color that it came. The wig is just sitting on my hairline. The parting space, I would say, is no more than 4 inches. I wish it was a little deeper, but beggars can't be choosers. Look at that. No glue, no spray, no tape. Love it. But the hairline, this is what the hairline looked like. I know it's not the most perfect, flawless hairline, like as if it was glued on, but it's good. It's good for me in this heat, and I get to take the wig off at night. And the plus with that, when you take your wig off at night, your wig lasts longer. And not only it lasts longer, but it's minimum styling required the next day because I took it off my mannequin head. The hair is already straight. Like, come on. Stop playing. Let me stop playing. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.